Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add a new page in your Lovable project. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Lovable website if you have not already. So go to lovable.dev, this is the official URL. And once you open it up, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your account. If you have not already, you can log in using GitHub or Google. And once you're logged in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, we can get started building. And at the left side of the screen, we can find all the projects we have already created. As you can see in my recent right here, I have my project I have created for a website, and this is how it looks like once you go ahead and click on it. So basically guys, now if you want to go ahead and add a new page to any of your projects and websites you have created, it's basically all going to be done using the prompt right here. As you can see, you have your visual edits and you also have the ask option right here. So what you're going to do is, you can see you have the recommendations right here. You can add menu item photos, add testimonials, add special banners, and so on. You can click to add a page, so type out that you want a page that has all the prices or something similar. So whatever you want, you're going to tell it right here into the prompt to the AI, and then you're going to click submit, and it's going to cost you credits. So you need credits to go ahead and send messages, remember that. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you a couple more questions, and then it's going to add that desired page to your website, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.